Hi guys, Hubsan time again. In the last episode we discovered the controls were reversed, or at least the elevator. Forwards was backwards and backwards was forwards, and by the time I sorted that out the battery was flat. So the battery's now charged and we'll give it a try. It's still not the proper propellers on it, it's just the ones I had in my stock. They're a little bit flexible, I think is the best way to put it, and they're just a tiny bit bigger than the originals. We'll give it a try. There is a bit of wind, so well, we'll just find out what happens. Well, we're up. It is wobbling around a bit. You can probably see the bushes are blowing around quite a bit as well. This is its first proper flight, so I've done no trimming or anything. This is probably all we're going to do, just go forwards and backwards, just get the hang of it. There's quite a bit of wind coming from behind me, so we're actually quite a bit of reverse on it at the moment to hold it steady. Okay, well, we hit the tree. I had an idea, when all the lights are flashing, that's when the battery's down. Still going. Just feeling it, there's a lot of vibration there. I think that's those props aren't very good. But that's all I've got at the moment, so that's what we're using. Yeah. Drifting right a bit. Just looked away from it then. I was trying to see if I could adjust the trim, but I need both eyes on the quad. Oop. Oh dear. Can we do a hand launch? Oh, something sounds awful there. Yeah. That's what the noise was. That one was coming loose. It doesn't like a hand launch. That's more like it. Yeah, it's drifting right. Oh, the battery's going. Full power, we're going down. So that battery didn't last very long, did it? Oh, trying to cut my fingers off now. Right. Okay, well, we had a little flight. I think it needs some trim, but I couldn't even remember where the trim buttons were, because it was definitely drifting to the right. So, well, there we go. That's my recycling centre, Hubsan. I think it's X4. We've replaced the back right motor, and the propellers on there are just out of my stock of propellers, and they're a little bit flexible. So, well, that'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.